Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spaghetti with canned pasta sauce. First, grab a large pot and fill it with about 4 quarts of water. Bring this water to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, carefully add 1 pound of spaghetti. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and cook for 8 to 12 minutes, or until it's perfectly al dente. Drain the pasta well. While your pasta cooks, let's get the sauce ready. In a separate saucepan, heat about 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Carefully pour in 1 24-ounce can of your favorite pasta sauce. Bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld and warm through completely. This step is crucial for a delicious meal. Now for the best part, combining everything. Once your pasta is drained, add it directly into the simmering sauce. Use tongs or a large spoon to gently toss the spaghetti and sauce together until every strand is coated. This ensures a flavorful bite every time. Serve your delicious spaghetti immediately, perhaps with some grated Parmesan cheese or fresh basil for an extra touch. Here are a few quick tips to elevate your spaghetti. If your sauce seems too thick, save about 1/4 cup of the pasta cooking water and add it in to thin it out. Feel free to customize your dish by adding cooked ground beef, sausage, or your favorite vegetables to the sauce. For more great cooking hacks and deals, check the description below. And hey, while you're there, you'll find a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.